unboxing the brand new limited edition Infinity from MJ Arsenal. A shout out to Evan at MJA for hooking it up. It's my man. See, this is what I like that they do with it. They send everything out with its original banger. And then the Infinity is just the 2-stage recycler and the Fabergé egg in one. And then let's say MJA also sent us opaque bottom mini rig bucket. That's nice. Now let's see what gifts we got. Bubble cap. That's pretty sweet.
Hold that so.
And then the other one, I bet it's gonna be another cap. They sent me their dabber, they sent me everything else. And a flat cap. Alright, now let's unbox the Infinity from MJ Arsenal. Got the water level right there. Double uptake recycler, fab egg function lower section, base connected perk, handcrafted borosilicate glass, 10 mil connection. So for the banger that comes with it, they recommend a 50-second cooldown time. For the opaque rig, they recommend a 90-second cooldown time. That is really sweet. And then with the original banger, the little banger that comes with it. I think we're good. Nice, we'll take some function shots.